Namaste, children. Till now, we had completed in the parts of speech nouns, pronouns, and prepositions. We completed. Now, writing task. We had completed in the writing task, writing under writing skill, hinted paragraph. With the hints, you had developed hints. Now, we are dealing with the notice writing. Today, our topic is notice writing. What do you mean by notice? It is a information. It is a kind of information giving to all the people to whom you are sending the message, to whom you want to send the message all together. Mass, total, means what? All the members together you are sending at a time. Okay, it's a short, it's a formal matter you are posting to all together. Okay, it's a brief information. See here, notice. What do you mean by notice? A notice is a very short piece of writing which is usually formal in style. Formal means what? How we are speaking daily, it's not there in that. We have to use correct words in the correct position, collocations, those are called. So we are saying to others in polite way, requesting way. Sometimes we are ordering notice on it. Those are the language we are using in the formal. So that is why that is the notice should be in the formal in style. It is widely used by the individuals or organizations to announce events and celebrations, births and deaths, and other occasions. So we have to use uh, these notice to inform some message. By the individual, this means personal, single persons or organizations like a school, college, institutions, any, to announce events what is going on. So further, I am going to conduct something, a music competition. I want to inform to all, so I have to make a notice and I have to stick the notice in the notice board. Okay, and celebrations, any birthday celebrations or any Republic Day or annual day, like celebrations, births, like births and deaths are personal notices. Okay, and other occasions, any occasion, we, what is the meaning of the notice is means to observe, where some people look at some matter. See, suppose we want to know the news, where we'll go, we switch on the television, we will keep the news channel, then we can get the news. Like that, some notice, specific board will be attached in the organizations or schools or some other institutions to know, to inform to all at a time. Mass communication, it's a mass communication. Okay, we have to frame in a particular way to inform the matter to all at a time. That is notice. See, example, inaugurations or sales, public instructions, to make appeals and extend invitations. These are the examples of notifications. Okay, now we are going to learn some more points about the notice. Notice, most notices are meant to be pinned up or posted on the special boards for the purpose, some cause, some reason. They will make the notice. Some notices from any government departments also appear in newspapers. See, you can see in the newspaper, government, see, this land belongs to me, I am the owner of this land. This is also a notice. Okay, these they are saying the information. If we say about the notice, briefly speaking, a notice helps in giving information to a large number of people without having to circulate it individually. You are not going to give each one paper to all, or each one notice to all, or each call. You are not making a call to inform all. Only with one notice you are saying to all, you are informing to all, most of the people of your surrounding or in your school or like that. You are informing formally, briefly to all at a time. Remember that. Briefly speaking, notice helps in giving information to a large number of people without having to circulate it individually. You are not distributing person to person. You are keeping in one place so everyone can see that notice. Such notices are put up at a prominent place from where everybody can read. See, in our school you can observe in notice board we can see in the fee payment place. Okay, and at the principal ma'am room side they'll give photos. They want to give the information so of our program celebration, so they had attached the photos. It's a bulletin board, we can say also bulletin board. Okay, and these are the places. So prominent place means where everyone can see. That place is a prominent place. Now see, notice, how we'll write the notice. First we have to learn. See, so you inform to all, how to inform to all in formal way. Something, some occasion is going on or some celebrations are there in our school, you are the head boy or head girl, please inform to all. That time, how, what format should follow to write notice? First of all, name of the institution you should write in capitals. Name of the institution, see how I wrote, name of the institution or organization or any office, government office. Okay, so we have to write name of the institution first on the top, in the middle. This format should be followed by all, otherwise you are not going to get the full marks in the exam. So we will see whether the institution name is in the capital letter, whether they placed in the middle of the top, like that we will observe all these while correcting the paper. Next, see, NOTICE, notice name, notice spelling we have to write. Okay, I will explain with the sample notice, but you first you learn. First point, what you have to write, in name of the institution or organization in capitals, in block letters. Then after NOTICE, notice spelling, should write next line. Then after, what will you write? Date. Date you should write in descriptive way. Notice spelling. Third, date. Next, heading or subject. So heading means what you are going to conduct, either the celebration or the competition or the any information about the school inspection or like that. Okay, you have to all mention, or collecting the library books or conducting any quiz program like that. You have to write this here. Based on the question, heading will be changed. Okay, next, body of the notice. So What should you write here? 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 Clear these 4 points. Now you came to body. First point, you have to write the name of the institution, then NOTICE notice, then date. Date should be in the words. I will tell how to write date. And heading, what a notice, in which way you are, what you are going to conduct, you should write in the 2 or 3 words. And body, in the body, when you are going to conduct, where you are going to conduct, at what time, to whom you have to inform, to whom you have to conduct, to whom you have to contact. Okay, all these are there. Next, last, signature, you have to sign, then write the name and designation. These 3 points are very important. Every point is important. See the mark scheme how will be. If you write these two, you will get, suppose note is given for 5 marks. These two write, you will get 1 mark. These two write, if you get 1 mark, means off. See here, you will get, if you follow this, you will get the 2 marks here off. Going to learn now. Now, always remember the notice should be in the box. The notice should be in the box. You all written all the points, but you forgot to draw the line. So, you are going to get off mark less. Next, how? What things will be? Name of the institution means it refers to the name of the institution from which person writing a notice is part of. Suppose you are writing a notice in the behalf of our school, so you should write our school name. So generally we won't refer you to write our school name. You never write our school name. You stop writing our school name. Some other, not your school, some other school name or any imagination school name. Fix one school name, which one you want. All the notices you follow the only one name without spelling mistakes. The word notice. The word notice to be written below the name of the institution or organization in capital letters. Means what? The block letters, be capital letters. Now date. Date of issuing the notice to be written on the top left corner page. Expanded form. See here, today is what? 27th July 2020. I am explaining the date, I am explaining the notice today, so today I had given. Suppose you are writing the notice that day only you should write. Okay? When you are writing the notice, that day only you should write. Don't go previous day. If any precautions are there, if any instructions are there, you should write of. See here, remember this should always be according to main idea on which the notice is based. If it is a notice about inter-school debate competition, then the heading will be inter-school debate competition, or inter-school drawing competition, or only music competition. Like that you can write. Then body. In the body, what should you write? The body should contain all the necessary information required in the notice, like time, venue, duration, last date, and to whom you contact, where, to whom you are conducting. Okay, where is the venue means where is the point. Time means when the celebrations will go or competition will go, where the competition will go, how much time it take to conduct, and last day to submit your names and all, and to whom you are contact. Okay, to whom these celebrations will conduct. All the 5 points should be covered. Next, here I am giving last one, signature of the designation of the person in charge to be mentioned there. Suppose you are the head boy, you should write your name, your sign, then your name, and then your designation. But remember that don't write your personal. We will give the name. Generally we will give the name in the notice question. That question name only you should write. Don't write your own name. Remember, forget to write your personal information. You should not give any personal information. You should write the given name in the notice. Next, what points should be there in the body? So, what is going to happen? The event, where it will take place, when will it take place, date and time, who can apply or is eligible to apply, to whom you are conducting, whom to contact or reply to. See 5 points, 5 W's. First, what is going on. Second one, where it will be take place, when it will take place. Notice. See, these are the 5 W's to remember while writing the body of the notice. Next, name of the event. See, checklist. After writing notes, you notice you have to check. Okay, what should be there in the notice? Body of the notice given. In the body of the notice, these 5 points should be written. No, full notice. These 5 points you should written. Name of the event, target group, date and time, venue, agenda, purpose, specific instructions if any, whom to contact, when, where, signature, name and designation. On the top, you should remember that name of the institution written and notice spelling is given. You have to check these two also. These are the checklist. Once you check again, stop the video, again you watch it. Next. So this is the sample notice how to write. What I said that first name of the institution, you are Rekha Rahul. Name given, see here. You are Rekha Rahul. Girls will write Rekha, boys will write Rahul. The in charge of the cultural committee of National Public School, Bilaspur. Sometimes we will only give the school name. Sometimes we won't give. If we give, you write the exact school name. If we won't give, you write your own imaginary name. Don't write our school name. You have been asked to notify the students of your school about the inter-school cultural feast. Write a notice in 50 to 60 words. Generally, notice should go with 50 to 60 words, including relevant details from the letter your principal received recently. So, your principal received recently a letter about the National Public School Cultural Fiesta. So, you have to prepare a notice to announce to all the students who are there in your school. So, what is the first organization name? Name of the national school, public school. Then you should write notice spelling and NOTICE. Then what is that? Cultural, see, inter-school. We can say title or subject or heading. Then date, here I had given wrong. It should go top. First name, notice, I did not find, I can't give, so I am mentioning here. I don't know how to give, but in the format I had given this. First national schools institute organization, then notice spelling, then date, then after write the title. See that there is no personal pronoun in the given format. An inter-school cultural fiesta is going to be organized in Hillmount School on 26th February. See here, they had given 28th date. Before 6 days, they had given the information. After 6 days, there is a fiesta, a cultural fiesta. Okay, see, before 5 days or 6 days, we have to inform, or 1 week or 10 days. The event include competition in the field of music, dance and dramatics. Winners will be awarded with attractive prizes. Students interested in participating may get their names registered with the undersigned. Latest by 22nd February. Latest means last date to submit. Okay, right here. The name of the authorized signatory means what? We can't write the signature, so here they write. Actually, we have to write, say, sign, the name, then designation. See, you are in charge. See, you are Rekha Rahul, the in charge of the cultural committee. So, in charge cultural committee. See, the notice to be written inside a box. See, box is given. Okay, observe this. Next, here, while writing the notice, these points should be remember that it should be written in neat, clear, and bold writing. It should be brief to the point. Don't give an extra. I'm so and so. I'm so and so. Don't use any personal pronoun. Don't mention I am so and so. Okay, and no personal pronouns. The person reading the notice should know exactly what you want, and it should be in few sentences as possible. That is, follow the word limit. Your word limit should be 50 to 60 words only. You try to give in the further exams. You have notice writing in 8th and 10th also. So if you have the practice properly, you may write easily there. Okay, try to write a body 50 to 60 words. Fix it that. And now this is a sample notice. Yeah, Saurabh or Saurabhi, the president of your school. See, I did not give the school name, but I had given the names. Remember this. Write a notice for the cultural programs to be held in your school. Give details of the date, venue, time, and items to be held. If you are the fourth class, so I had given all the details, but I can give here, give the relevant details only of the program. Give the relevant details of the program only I can give here. But first time you are writing, no, so I mention here date, venue, time, and items to be held. Okay, now we are going for sample. So what should you write first? Yes, very good. Name of the institution, then NOTICE notice spelling. Right. ABC school. No, school name is not given. No, I can write any school name. You can write your imaginary school name, but without spelling mistakes. Remember that. Then what? 5th August. Then I forgot to give something here. What is that? Very good. I wantedly skip that. Here we had to give the school heading. The cultural committee of our school is organizing cultural fiesta which will be held in our school premises on 10th August. See here I had given the 5th August. I am writing the notes. I am writing the notice on 5th August. After 5 days the program will be. Remember this. So when the program uh, okay, program is 10th August. Then what is the duration of program? 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. What were things to be held? Folk dance, all the regional programs. Now, all the students. To whom? All the students. To whom? Where you had to contact? Second room number 26 on second floor. So to whom you contact the undersigned. See here signature is given. These 5 points covered or not? 5 W's are covered or not? You have to check. I forgot to give. What is the note? Is heading will be here. We will write now. What is the heading? What? A cultural fiesta. Where? Our school only, no. Organization of a cultural fiesta. We write a cultural fiesta. It takes time beta, but you should give capital letter only. You should write cultural fiesta. Organization of a cultural fiesta. Okay. Organization of a cultural fiesta. Next what? Signature I had given. Then write the name. Then write the designation. In previous question, what? You are the president of when that school name you write. If you are head boy or head boy. Now last and final thing you have to remember what? You should write the put the notice in the box. Then after finally what you have to see here, you have learnt how to write notice. I will give sample notice in the format. You have to write this notice points. Okay, what you have to write? I will give the notes. That notes you should copy in the classwork. Right, keep heading, notice writing, draw the box, all the format you have to write. Then you go sample notice question and write in one box, and you have to write the sample notice in another box. Total 3 pages. First page you have to draw the notice format, then second page you have to write the question, and third page you have to write the notice. I will give the sample notices in the PDF format. You should copy in your classwork. Thank you, children.